Today we have a new tire. I went and picked up a tire here, Mitas E10, that I'll be installing on the GS. And with this weekend's rally, I just wanted to make sure I have fresh rubber, and I got a pretty good deal on that, guys. So today that's the project. Okay. 27 is what we need for the mud guard. I'm gonna keep these in here. So next, for the tire itself, I believe, what do we have here? What do we have? A T50, good guess. All right. Okay, 2. Okay. Voila. Okay, let's be careful of the caliper. And can we? Okay, there we go, just like that. So let's get this valve out. First step. I'd rather do it this way, nice and quick. A car jack and ratchet straps. So let's tighten these up. I don't know if we'll be getting this on. Oh my god. All right, I broke the bead. So I guess the first time I did this, these tires were, I broke the bead on top, not even on bottom. This method is to get this bead broken underneath, first of all, which now I think I'm realizing I'm sitting on the rim, which is why I'm not gonna pop underneath. Okay, let's back this up a bit and just get this off the, I need more slack. Right there. Close the valve and pump, and as easy as that, our bead is broken. First thing I'm going to do here is get a bit of lubrication going on here. I'm going to start at the valve, is what I'm going to do. Why is it that easy? Compared to the first time I did this, like, there's no way it's that easy. But right now, it's being that easy, and I don't appreciate it, you know. I don't appreciate how easy this is right now. You know, I'm just kidding. Obviously, I'm just kidding. There we go. Okay. Now, let me just lift you up a bit here. Now we have at least a chunk of that rim out. There we have it. Shinko is off. We start with the valve stem. Okay. Ah. Again, I'm just trying to do everything smoothly. Just like that. It should pop. There we go. There we go. Let's get our tire back up here. So, is that too much? Get this. Nope. Right. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have brand new tire installed, looking pretty.